This will make a woman think about you non-stop. Welcome back to Pagewise. Are you curious about how to leave a lasting impression on a woman without resorting to tricks or manipulation? Today, we're diving into 5 genuine ways to naturally build attraction and make her think about you non-stop. Let's get started. In many videos on this topic, the advice often comes off as manipulative, which is not what we're about here. Instead, we're focusing on healthy, authentic ways to build attraction. How can you naturally make a woman think about you, without coming on too strong or losing your genuine self? Let's dive into some subtle shifts that can make a big difference. 1. Be attentive. The first key is to be attentive. This isn't just about listening, it's about truly being present and engaged. When you're with someone, give them your full attention. Listen to what they say, remember the little details, and show genuine interest. It's easy to get caught up in surface-level conversations, but to be memorable, you need to go deeper. Ask questions, show curiosity, and don't just think about your next response. By being present, you can create meaningful and memorable interactions. Remembering small details and bringing them up later can also make a big impact. For instance, if she mentions a favorite book or a hobby, bring it up in a text or conversation later. It shows that you were paying attention and genuinely care about her interests. This kind of attentiveness is often noticed and appreciated, making you stand out in a positive way. 2. Independent equals attractive. The second point is to maintain your independence. One of the biggest turn-offs is neediness or clinginess. It's crucial to have your own life, passions, and interests. Being independent means having a strong sense of self and purpose. When you're fulfilled and passionate about your own life, it naturally makes you more attractive. You become a person of substance, someone who doesn't rely on others for happiness. Having your own hobbies and interests not only makes you more interesting but also shows that you're confident and self-sufficient. Share these passions with her, but also make sure to maintain your boundaries. Don't drop everything just to see her, instead, make time for her while still prioritizing your own life. This balance is key. It shows that you're capable of making her feel special while also respecting your own needs and commitments. 3. Be a gentleman. Being a gentleman never goes out of style. Small gestures can make a big impact. Whether it's opening the door, offering your jacket when it's cold, or simply being polite and respectful, these actions show consideration and thoughtfulness. It's not about grand gestures but about being kind and considerate in small ways. These little acts of kindness are memorable. For example, if you're on a date and notice she's chilly, offering your jacket shows that you're attentive and caring. It's these thoughtful gestures that often stick with someone long after the date is over. Being a gentleman isn't about being overly chivalrous or trying to impress, it's about showing genuine care and respect for the person you're with. 4. Non-physical compliments. When it comes to compliments, go beyond the physical. While everyone enjoys being told they're attractive, focusing solely on physical appearance can feel shallow. Instead, compliment her personality, intelligence, or the way she makes you feel. A genuine compliment about her energy, her sense of humor, or her passion for something can be much more meaningful and memorable. Non-physical compliments stand out because they're often unexpected. If you tell her she's smart, down-to-earth, or has a great sense of humor, it shows that you're paying attention to who she is as a person. These kinds of compliments are more likely to leave a lasting impression because they acknowledge qualities that go beyond the surface. They show that you value her for more than just her looks. 5. Try something new together. Lastly, trying something new together can create lasting memories. It's easy to fall into a routine, but stepping out of your comfort zone can be refreshing and exciting. Whether it's going to a new restaurant, trying a cooking class, or exploring a new hobby, doing something different can create a unique experience that she'll remember. New experiences can also help you bond and connect on a deeper level. When you're both trying something new, it creates a shared experience that's unique to the two of you. It's a great way to break the ice, build rapport, and create a memorable moment. Plus, being spontaneous and willing to try new things shows confidence and adaptability, traits that are often found attractive. These 5 tips are all about being authentic and showing up as your best self. It's not about tricks or manipulation, but about being genuine and thoughtful. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Pagewise for more insightful content. Also, follow us on Instagram for more tips and behind-the-scenes content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Pagewise.